Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 20. 고맙습니다, which is used to say thank you in Korean. 고맙습니다 is another formal way of saying thank you in Korean. But according to some resources, this is considered less formal than 감사합니다. How do you write 고맙습니다 in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable go. It is written by drawing first a gyat character followed by an o character. The second syllable map is written by drawing first a mium character, an a character, and a biup character. So that's the first two syllables, gomap. For the third syllable sup, we need to draw first a siat character, an u character, followed by the biup character. But take note that this is pronounced as sum instead of sup, because the biup character is followed by a nian character on the next syllable. Ni is just a combination of nian and i, and da is dikat plus a. So we could compare 고맙습니다 to 고마워, 고맙다, and 감사합니다. All of these four are used to say thank you in Korean. It's just that 고마워 and 고맙다 are considered informal, while 감사합니다 and 고맙습니다 are both considered formal way of saying thank you. Again, 고마워 and 고맙다 are informal, and 감사합니다 and 고맙습니다 are considered formal. And with that, you've just learned 고맙습니다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 10 to 19. But don't forget our word for today, word number 20, 고맙습니다. This is another formal way of saying thank you. Word number 19 is 고맙다. This is another casual, informal way of saying thank you. Word number 18 is 잘했어. This is used to say stay well in an informal manner. Word number 17 is Jalga. This is used to say go well in an informal manner. Word number 16 is Juseyo. This is used to say please or please give me. Word number 15 is 맥주. This is the Korean term for beer. Word number 14 is 돈. This is the Korean term for money. Word number 13 is sagwa. This is the Korean term for apple. Word number 12 is 반갑습니다. This is a shortened, formal way of saying nice to meet you. Word number 11 is Yeoboseyo. This is used to say hello when answering the phone. And the last word for our review, word number 10, Annyeong. This is a short, informal term used to say hello or goodbye. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul. We're going to discuss about Gamsahamnida. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.